and welcome back to my channel. I have not been filming or anything for like probably this whole year. My last video was probably last year, the Christmas video, but I'm back and I'm better and I'm gonna try and be consistent. So this video is going to be my birthday vlog. I'm going to Chicago with my boyfriend. We're going to the Her concert. I'm so excited. She's like my favorite. And then we're just gonna, tour around Chicago. So let's get into this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Welcome back. I love you guys. I love everybody who said that, oh, you need to come back to YouTube or whatever and be consistent with it, because I do. It's something that I've always wanted to do, so I'm back better. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, all of that. And let's get into this vlog. Okay, so I just opened my suitcase and there's a lot of things that I just bought that I already have. So, and I was trying to figure out where I had this stuff at, and it's been in my suitcase this whole time. I just went and got some travel stuff, like some travel size toothpaste, the little travel package with the toothbrush and the toothpaste, some travel size containers, all of that. But I already had that, so I guess I have extra now. But yeah, and I also remembered I went to Vegas during the summer. Should have vlogged that, but I didn't. I went for my classmate's birthday. Like, we all took it was 3 of us who took a girls trip. And she gave us like these little gifts, and it had like the hand sanitizer, Tylenol, and some gum. I'm definitely using this for this upcoming trip, so I'm gonna have to take this appetizer. Am I hungry? I'm gonna have to take this hand sanitizer out and put it in my liquids bag, because I'm not checking this bag in. It's gonna be a carry-on. Gonna have it with me the whole time, because I don't have time for my stuff to be getting lost. Like, I hate checking my stuff in. I really do. So I'm about to try and get all my toiletry stuff done, and then start putting my clothes together and putting them in my suitcase. Y'all like my little painting and my wax pot? Let me show y'all my painting. This is what we did for my friend. Her birthday was last Friday, and so we did like a sip and paint, and this is what we painted. Isn't it so pretty? It says, I am. Then it's like prosperous, strong, beautiful, blessed, worthy, and loved, which I am. So yeah, I just pop it up there, and then don't mind all of this. That is my wax pot, my stand and stuff that I'm gonna use for my business. There's another video coming with all the information on what I've been doing this past year. But yeah, so packing it is. See you later. Okay, so far I have my flushable wipes, makeup wipes. I think I already have some, but I just bought some more just in case. And the wet ones, and then this is the little travel thing I was talking about. Travel toothbrush and toothpaste. I have extra toothpaste in here, some tissue. Then these are the travel containers that I can put my liquids and stuff in. I probably won't use this bag, which is why I got this. I just use regular Ziploc quart bags. I think this is the right, yeah, that's the right size. This is what I usually use to carry all of my liquids. So yeah, about to pack that up now. So I have my toiletries bag all packed. I have my toothpaste, sunscreen, foundation. I was gonna take this one, but it was not working out with all my other ones. I was gonna take my sunscreen and moisturizer out for my face, but I was like, no, I need that. So I just switched foundations. So that's a cheaper one anyway. My oil for my hair, since I just got my hair pressed. This is my face wash, primer, lotion, toothpaste. I got 2 things of toothpaste, mascara, concealer somewhere in there, and finishing spray. I had to get rid of the body wash because of course that wouldn't fit either. But that's okay, because I used the Dove bar And then I go in with this, but I'll be fine with just my Dove. So this was the moisturizing body wash, and then this is the lotion that I have. This is my moisturizer for my face, Dermalogica, from my kit from school, and then this is the SPF. So yeah, that is packed. Now it's time to get to these clothes. Okay, so just showed y'all my liquids bag. Now I'm getting my makeup and stuff together. I need to be looking at this instead of looking at myself. And y'all don't pay attention to my... Let me stop. I haven't had my hair pressed like this in forever. But y'all don't pay attention to my breakout. I'll just do my hair like that. So I'm working on my makeup. Told y'all I already had some whites, but I'm glad I got more because this is not enough. I have an eyeshadow palette, one of them. Then another one that I picked up from Ulta like maybe 3 weeks ago, maybe a month ago. This is my Prep and Prime translucent powder from MAC. And then I also have a loose finishing powder. I don't know why, but I chose to get this and try it out. I actually like it myself, but I went and got it because I will be starting to do makeup. We'll talk about that later. But I just want to try out different products to see how I would like them before I actually did it on somebody and it didn't turn out right. So I'm trying everything out on me. Then blush and my mascara and my mascara and eyebrow pencil, even though I don't really do my eyebrows like that. No, I'm just so in love with my hair. Like Miss Tamika did that for real. Okay, so that's all my makeup, and then I have all of my makeup brushes. I keep these in, I have a makeup box, but for school I don't like carrying that, so I just put everything in here. And I just put it all in a bigger bag. So yeah. So yeah, that's all my makeup. And then we're going to get into putting my clothes, because I think last clip I said I was gonna start working on my outfits. Yeah, I went straight to the makeup because just the outfits, I'm just like overwhelmed kinda, because I want to look cute, but I feel like these are a little basic, but it's fine. I'm gonna look fine either way, whether I'm basic or fly. My basic is fly, okay? But yeah, so I'm about to put my makeup in. This is all the makeup, all the liquid makeup is already in my liquids bag, like I showed you earlier. So I'm gonna pat this makeup and then get into my outfit. So guys, do not mind the mess. If you see it in the background, it's a whole bunch of clothes. But I want to show y'all these cubes. It came with my carry-on suitcase that I got from Belk. It was on sale earlier this year, and I was like, getting it because it's amazing. It has a charger on the suitcase, has these packing cubes and 2 areas where you can pack your clothes or your shoes. So I used the packing cubes. I used this size kind of like for like undergarments and stuff. I use those 2. And then I use this for like my pants, shirts, or dresses. But since I'm going to Chicago, I'm bringing like big, huge coats. So I'm just going to fold those on the bottom and then put these packing cubes on top. So I'm going to get my sleepers and stuff together, my undergarments, and then put my big coats in there and then pack my outfits into here. I'm only taking 3 outfits because I come back Saturday. Yeah, so yeah, about to pack these, pack my coats, and I'll show y'all. All right guys, I am all packed, and I forgot to show y'all me packing and rolling up my stuff in my whatever this is. And this is the one with my toiletries. I got, not toiletry, Lord, with my undergarments and stuff. And then this is my socks, long socks, short socks. Like I showed y'all, my toothpaste, got Q-tips, tissue, all my wipes and stuff are in there. I'm taking 3 pairs, but I'm gonna have my Crocs on tomorrow. So this is going with my outfit for Friday. This is my outfit going with tomorrow and Thursday. And of course my makeup. So yeah, now I have to try and get this closed. I wasn't expecting this to be this big and bulky, but my mom helped me buckle this up, and so time to close this suitcase. I think I have everything that I need in here. I need to check my notes and don't mind my shoes. I need to check my notes and make sure that I have everything in here. So yeah, that's me done with packing, and now I have to clean up my mess. Okay, so y'all, I really don't know how I'm gonna close this unless I take my stuff out of here. But I'm gonna try it first and see if I can close it with this. If not, then I'll just take everything out and then have it still rolled up but not have the bag, and see if it works that way. Or maybe switch sides, because this side on this is bulky, so it's this side. So maybe if I switch and it won't be as bulky. We'll see. But I'm gonna try and close this, and then I'll get back and tell y'all how it went. So it actually closed. Of course, this zipper has to be open in order. So my flight out of my city tomorrow, I know I'm gonna have to have them check it in or do what they do, and then on my flight to Chicago, I believe it'll fit in the overhead bin. So yeah, packing done. Okay, so y'all remember me telling y'all it had a charger? So this is the charging part. I've never used it, or I think I tried and it didn't work, and I need to figure out how to make it charge or whatever. But that's the charging. And then this is like a TSA lock, to where I can lock this and nobody can open it. I have my own personal thing, so it won't come loose. So yeah. Okay, so I'm all done packing. I just have to get my airport outfit ready for tomorrow. I already know what I'm wearing. I always wear the same outfit. My gray joggers with a t-shirt, my little gray sweater, and my Crocs. So I'm washing some last minute clothes just in case I need to bring something else. I don't think I do with how full my suitcase is. So yeah, don't mind my clothes. I need to do a whole bunch of cleaning before I leave, for real. And I need to put these clothes up, and I need to pack my personal bag. I have a few things that I need to take in there, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm not taking my big purse. I'm gonna take my Vegas bag that I bought because it's a little bit bigger, and I'm gonna put my small crossbody in there. And I have to take my laptop, the charger, like all my chargers and stuff, and my liquids is going in there. And then I think I'll be done. So if I don't see y'all the rest of tonight with all of my stuff packed, then I will see y'all at the crack of dawn. I'm sleepy already, and I'm hungry, even though I had a late lunch. But yeah.